Hello friends, welcome to Learninglogic. In this video, we will learn 3-digit number by 2-digit number division. Here, we will follow the same concept what we have done, the division by 1-digit divisor. And the concept is divide, multiply, subtract, bring down and repeat the above steps. 375 by 15. Here, 375 is called as dividend. 15 is called as divisor. Here you can also write it as 375 by 15. First, we will write the dividend 375 and make the bars like this and write the divisor outside. What is our first step? First, divide. You have to take the first digit from the left side of the dividend. 375. Here, 3. So, 3 by 15. Here, we can't make the groups of 3 by 15. So, you have to take the 2 digits, 3 and 7. That is 37 by 15. And the next step is, you have to multiply. How many times of 15 is close to 37? That is 15 times of 2 is 30. So, you have to write 2 in the quotient part and write 30 under 37. Now the third step is subtract. 37 minus 30. That is 7. And the fourth step is you have to bring down. Bring down the next digit of dividend. That is 5. The fifth step is you have to repeat the above steps. So again you have to divide 75 by 15 and you have to look for how many times of 15 makes 75. It is 5. 75 subtract 0. 0 is called as remainder and here 25 is the quotient. 948 by 27. You can also write it as 948 by 27. So first, in the long division, you have to write the dividend 948 and write the bars, and outside you have to write the divisor. Let's apply the concept. First, you have to divide. So you have to take dividend first digit from the left side, that is 9. 9 by 27. 9 is less than 27. So you can't make any groups of 9. So you have to take the first 2 digits of dividend from the left side, that is 94 by 27. And the second step is how many times of 27 makes 94. 27 times 2 is 54. 27 times 3 is 81. So it's close to 94. If I take 27 times 4, it's more than 94. So you have to take the lesser value. So you have to write 81 under 94. And how many times it is? 3. Now the third step is subtract. 94 minus 81, that is 13. And the next step is bring down. You have to bring down the next digit of dividend, that is 8. And the fifth step is you have to repeat the process. So here you have to look for 138 by 27. So 27 times of 5 makes 135. The next step is subtract, then 3. So there is no other numbers to bring down. So this is the end of the process. And here 3 is called as remainder and 35 is the quotient. If you want to check that your answer is not, then you have to do the dividend is equal to quotient times with divisor plus remainder. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more videos.